Introducing the Lenovo GeekPro G5000 2024 edition, a gaming powerhouse launched in China. This latest model boasts significant upgrades, featuring the Intel Core i7-136500HX processor and options for an RTX 4050 or RTX 4060 graphics card. The 15.6-inch FHD display offers a 140 Hz refresh rate and 100% sRGB color coverage, ensuring vivid and clear visuals. Enhanced with NVIDIA G-Sync, it minimizes screen tearing for a smoother gaming experience. Connectivity is versatile, including USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 and USB at 3.2 Gen 1 ports, along with Wi-Fi 6. A key highlight is the improved cooling system, designed to keep the laptop cooler and quieter during intense gaming sessions. While not yet available on Lenovo's official store, Chinese retailers list the RTX 4050 model at approximately $875, and the RTX 4060 variant around $940. The global launch details are pending, but previous models were released internationally under the IDTAD gaming brand.